Hello everyone, welcome again. If you're watching this, I imagine you need some quick help to solve some app or website issues. So let's start. Today we're going to see how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. It's pretty easy, folks. Just follow the steps I'm about to tell you and you should be able to solve this issue. First, open the TikTok app and try to upload more than one photo. If TikTok doesn't allow us to swipe to the other photo here, here's what we should do. Go to your profile by tapping the icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Then, tap the three-line menu in the upper right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down until you find the option that says Free App Cache. Next, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Downloads. Once you have done this, go to your phone's settings menu, scroll down to General, and inside there, look up for the option called iPhone Storage. Then choose TikTok from all the apps and tap Offload. Then reinstall it. Now, with these steps, the problem should be resolved. That's all. Now, you're ready to use it again.